Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's been long since I posted a video on my YouTube channel. I have been busy with other stuff, but I'm back and we are ready to continue offering more ways of making money online. So remember, this is the #1 YouTube channel for your online earning tricks and tutorials. I got a lot of requests about how to make money, how to sell gift cards on Noon's trading platform, which I posted here. So I want to give a short tutorial on how to sell, let's say, an Amazon gift card or any form of gift cards. So without wasting time, let's go to the Noon's exchange website. This is the exchange website. Once you come to this site, this is the homepage. Just click on trade. Under trade, there are two types of trading: peer-to-peer. This way you buy cryptocurrency from your peers, but as I want to go straight to gift cards, selling of gift cards, so just click here, selling gift cards. Once you click there, it will prompt you to this page here. As you can see, this is where you see all, you can click more cards here, and you can see any form of gift cards that you have here. So for us, I want to demonstrate using Amazon. So just click on Amazon like that. Then you can include any amount of Amazon you want and the currency. For example, if you have $100 worth of Amazon gift cards, just come here under the amount, right? 100, then currency, say US dollars. Then I recommend using any cryptocurrency, because you may select Bitcoin and there is no offer for Bitcoin. You might select Tether, there is no offer for Tether. So it's very good to keep this option as any cryptocurrency. Yeah, leave it like that. Then you put the amount, the value of your card, the currency of your card, currency symbol. Then remember, here you selected Amazon gift cards. That's why it's appearing here. Also, you can click the search button and to give you all these cards, and then you select the one you want. So once you do that, just click refresh, and everybody who is buying an $100 worth of Amazon gift card is going to be displayed here, or the offer. So you can see here now, all the people buying $100 worth Amazon gift cards are displayed here. So some accept physical cards, others accept digital codes. For example, the first one here, if you have a digital code, he only accepts the physical cards. So if you have a code, this one cannot be a good trader for you. So you can come to this one. This one is okay. This one can accept the codes. So anybody return physical cards, just know that they will not accept the codes, the digital codes. Remember, you have two types of Amazon gift cards. There are ones with physical codes. There is a physical cards which have a receipt on where you bought them. That's why they say physical cards and receipt. So avoid such people. So anybody return physical cards, just avoid them. So yeah, just avoid such people. Just look for a person who is accepting a digital code, like this one, e-gift card. So you can see the only person accepting e-gift card, this one. Remember, the Amazon gift card we get from surveys and other things we do online are in form of digital codes which we sell to get the money. So for example, among all the people here, this is the only person who is accepting the e-gift cards. So this is the best trader. You just click on his account, because he's the person with the best value. So just click on it, then click sell. For example, if you want to, let's say I have one, if I want to sell now, just click here now, sell. And mark you, the procedure I've used, you can use it to do for all form of gift cards that you want to sell. For example, you can see I have not done my identity verification of this Noons, because I've been trading small amounts and withdrawing. So I think I will have to do identity verification, because yeah. So you can buy from this seller up to 20 successful trades. So I can only buy from this seller 20 times. But for you to be able to sell on noons.com, you have to verify your identity. But basically, I just wanted to show you guys the process that's the process. You can even check the rating of the buyer. He's from China. He's trusted by 73 users. You can see all the even the people who have blocked him or something. All the details, you see them here. So guys, that's how you sell any form of e-gift card on nuns.com. Not only on Amazon, but you can use the same procedure to sell any form of card on nuns.com. So those who are requesting for a tutorial on how it's how to do it, I think this is the best tutorial. But the only thing I don't like about nuns is the rate. The rate is too low. On airteam.com, the rate is a bit high, but this one, getting $33 for 100 worth of e-gift card for Amazon is too low. That's why I normally use airteam.com, because their rate is a bit better than nuns.com. I'm not affiliated to any of the sites, that's why I can be able to critique without worrying about anything. For sure, this rate is too low. But if you go to airteam.com, the rate is very good. It's a bit higher than this one. But for those people who want diversification, you can try and see how nuns.com works. Maybe we can be nuns.com is good for traders. If you're the person buying gift cards, you can come here, open trades, and the people can be selling the gift cards to you. So this one is very good for traders, people who buy cards from other people. So guys, that's a short update. For those who are requesting the tutorial, that's how it's done. It's very quite simple and straightforward. Keep it locked to my next video.